What's up, my beautiful people? Once again, welcome to CEO Wycliffe TV, and of course, we are #1 online TV show in Dubai. Today is a very beautiful day. It's heading to a weekend. It's on a Friday, and I'm so excited, man. I'm with the biggest bank in 254, all the way from 254 to Kenya, to Dubai, at least to come and talk to the Dubai people and give them the financial solution. It's gonna be a good conversation. Welcome to Dubai, man.
Asante sana Wycliffe. We are happy to be here. My name is Rona Kabue from NCBA Bank in Nairobi, Kenya.
All right.
Yeah.
Good to see you around.
Yeah. We like it here. It's nice. Sijui tuhamie huku ama sielewi, but yeah, we are happy to be here. Looking forward to meeting Kenyans in Dubai. We just came from Qatar, in Dubai, between Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So I'm sure you're wondering what we have on offer for you.
Yes.
So NCBA Bank, first things first, is the fourth largest bank in Kenya currently. We're in Nairobi, we're in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, and Ivory Coast. We are a big bank. We have 99 branches in Kenya. So wherever you are, wherever you come from, be sure there's a branch there that we can be able to service you from. But beyond that, what else can you do? Have a transactional account that you can access from here with internet banking and mobile banking. Again, we have a whole team, a whole relationship team back home that is able to support you with your investment journeys back home. Besides that, how else can you invest back home? The money market fund is available, very accessible to you from our mobile banking app. Very easy to access, very easy to apply, very easy to transact. You can also apply for loan facilities. We support you in terms of property ownership back home. You're looking to purchase a plot, we're happy to support you to purchase that. You're looking to buy a house, we'll support you to do that. And more than anything, if you already have a piece of land and you want to construct on it, we're able to support you in terms of construction, either residential or commercial. Yes.
Man, you've really given us a lot of stuff in few seconds, and now people are getting excited out there. I told you guys, we're gonna get good stuff from NCBA Bank, all right? We're gonna break it down one by one. First of all, thank you guys for coming and considering us as the diaspora members. We are really interested in banking in Kenya because here we're working so hard, and now we are looking forward to at least having something back at home. Let's start with the basic ones, transactional accounts. Which is the favorable diaspora transaction account do you offer?
Okay, that's a really good question, Wycliffe. So for us, the account that we offer diaspora is specifically for the diaspora.
Yeah, right.
It's available in Kenya shillings and all foreign currency. So if you're looking for a US dollar account, British pounds, euro, that's available as well. The thing about this specific account is that it doesn't have monthly ledger fees. We don't charge you ledger fees. And additionally, we don't also expect you to have a minimum balance maintained on it. The only thing you'll be required to do is once you open it, you'll be required to activate it with an amount of money. And then beyond that, now it's for you to transact as you wish and when you wish. So that account, like I mentioned, is available. We have an app, the mobile banking app. And with the mobile banking app, you can do all your transactions back home. Right. So you're looking to send money to somebody to their M-Pesa. Again, just log into the mobile app and send. You're looking to pay your bills, again, water, electricity, you may have those kind of bills back home. You're able to do that with our app. Or if you're making payments, pay bill, tills, again, you can be able to do that using our mobile banking app. So we're able to actually support you from here, just having the basic account with us.
Nice one.
Yeah.
So if somebody opens your transactional account, I mean, there are no charges of end month for, the maintenance fee and all that.
We do not have a maintenance fee.
Maintenance fee.
Yeah.
Perfect. I love that. And then there's something interesting you talked about your transactional account. I mean, if you're putting on the money, you're earning some interest on it.
Oh yes, you're right. So on our Kenya shilling account, if you have a balance above 50,000 shillings at any one time, then yes, it earns you. So it's an interest-bearing account that is able to generate for you some income. Why do we do that? Because the account is not your primary account. That is not where your salary goes. So it's your money is sitting in a current account. At least let it earn you something, right? So that then it encourages you at least to send money back home that is actually working for you.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Now you've already opened a transaction account. anybody can walk in actually. You guys are located in Novotel. It's a very heart of Dubai, I can say. I mean, it's easy everybody to access either by metro. You can use the Data City Center Metro. Walk in opposite the mall, in Novotel. You come and find the runner. And this is something very many people in diaspora, including me, always ask. You guys, I was studying, you are very good at asset financing. All right. What do you have for us as diaspora members on asset financing, right?
That's also, again, a really good question. So NCBA Bank is the biggest bank when it comes to asset finance. As a matter of fact, is what we are known for.
Right.
So if you're looking to purchase, say, for example, a vehicle back home, we're actually able to finance you to purchase it from here. We use your incomes from here. We are not saying that you must have salaries coming to Kenya so that I lend to you. We'll actually use your incomes from here. So if you have a payslip, for example, that is what we'll use to check your eligibility for a loan and be able to extend the same to you.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So if you want a vehicle back at home, then you are the right people to approach, right? And then what about the mortgages and all that? Because many people want to build at least a home, back at home, to go and reside, or they want to be a landlord. I mean, what do you have for us as diaspora members to own a house?
I like your question. You have very good questions, Wycliffe.
Yeah, because I know what we really want, man.
Yeah.
These are diaspora members. I know what they want. Yeah. All right.
Yeah. So we have a whole property finance team that takes care of the Kenyans living and or working abroad, the diaspora.
Right.
So when it comes to property ownership, right, like I mentioned earlier, we are able to finance you to purchase a plot. Okay, using again your incomes from here, we're able to finance you to purchase a house. Okay, it can be an apartment or a standalone house, whatever it is. We're able to finance that for you.
Right.
Also, I mentioned that we're able to finance construction. Right, so for example, you already own land and you want to construct on it, either a residential home for you to live in when you come home, or something commercial. And I say something commercial, it is like, for example, a block of apartments. We're able to finance that as well.
Nice.
But our construction loan facility is also robust in that we are able to support you to do it from a perspective of not just being a financier but also a project manager. The greatest challenge that Kenyans have abroad when it comes to construction is who is your eyes and the ears on the ground. So for us, that's what we are to you. More than a financier, we're able to actually monitor your construction loan facility and ensure that it is done to the standard that you require and that it is done and completed in good time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Actually, many the incidents that we have here in UAE, many people send money back at home and then zinaogelea. Unajua pesa zetu zinaogelea. Now it's the right way to do it. We have you guys to take care of us, yeah? So I really love the plans that you have for us. There's something very important right now. Everybody is asking about the money market, IMF. And then also, there are many people in UAE who are very interested in investing with shares, probably bonds. I mean, what do you have for us regarding that?
Okay. So for the money market fund, once you open an account with us and we set you up on your mobile banking app, you can actually manage your own money market fund from the palm of your hand with your mobile phone.
I mean, once you sign up to the application, you can manage it from the palm of your hand.
Yes. So you open the account of the money market account on the app, and over and above that, you manage it yourself. So you're able to move money from your current account to your money market account, and vice versa, from your money market account to your current account. That you manage on your own. So the beauty of the money market fund is that it gives you the ability to actually access the money if and when you want. It earns you some interest, and the minimum balance for money market fund account is 1,000 shillings, and you can load it as
1,000 Kenya shillings.
1,000 Kenya shillings.
Okay.
And you can load it as often as you want. Ainanga limitation, how much can I put in or how much can I withdraw. It's for you to decide how much you want to put in at any one time. The advantage of money market is that you earn interest on it, and you earn more interest the more you put in there. You actually see value on your money market when you put more money in there. Right? So what I normally say is that just keep putting. Ukipata kakitu unaweka, ukipata kakitu unaweka. It's cumulative. So at the end of it, you'll actually find that you're earning some really good interest on it. The other thing you've asked about is around the shares and the bonds. So again, we're able to support you to purchase shares back home. Again, it's app based, so if you're interested, you just let us know. We'll guide you how to open a CDS account for shares, and also guide you on what shares to invest in. So we give you advisory services. Sometimes you may not understand which shares to invest in, right? So we're able to give you advisory services on building a portfolio for shares. So that's another service that we do. When it comes to bonds, treasury bonds and bills, we're also able to support the same for you. Now Central Bank has an app of their own. It's called CDS Door Account. So we're able to guide you on how to open that app, okay? And then we come in as advisory. When there's a bond, for example, that has been floated, we always let you know. We send you an email with the bonds that are available. If you want to invest in that specific bond, then we guide you on how to do that. So we guide you on moving the money from your NCBA account to the Central Bank account, so that then you're able to invest in those.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Man, it's really interesting, and I'm getting rejuvenated and excited about this, yeah, because I know so many people right now, they have money in Dubai, but they're wondering on how they're gonna invest their money and get something which is probably risk-free. I think IMF you don't have it's not much. There's no risk involved, right?
So the money market fund is actually a safe, or let me say, if you're risk averse, there are people who don't want to take big risks, yeah, but you want your money in a safe place. So the money market fund provides that for you, right? In that, it's invested in channels that are safe, okay? And when it comes to access, then you're able to access it. It's not locked, right? So if, for example, get an emergency and you need to access the money from the money market, when you put in a request to liquidate or to remove the money from the money market fund, if you do it before 3 a.m. Kenya time, you'll have the money same day. If you do it after 3 p.m. Kenyan time, you get it the following day in the morning. So in terms of access, it's pretty easy. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I know there are so many people who are not getting this.
Yeah.
If you're not getting more information, you are free to walk in Novotel, but at least book an appointment, because people are so busy in Dubai, and I have seen you have so many people in the lobby, and we have to we stole your moment. So guys, if you wanna come down in Deira, that's Novotel, Greek side, opposite Deira City Center Mall, then you have to book an appointment. You can always reach us out, then we connect you to Steve, we connect you to NCBA people over here. So ensure you book your slot. When are you here, from which date until which date?
Okay, we are available to meet you here. Today is Saturday, so we're available today up to 1:30 p.m.
All right.
So that then we go out and meet other people. And then we're available on Monday next week, and Tuesday as well. Reach out to us and we'll actually confirm to you a specific time to meet us, and we can talk some more, have a one-on-one, so then we can be able to support you. In finality, I'm assuming we are about done, is that we are a bank that is very, very passionate about supporting Kenyans who live and work abroad. Dubai is not the only country we are in. We've just come back from Australia. We're in Dubai, Abu Dhabi. We just came back from Qatar as well, and heading to the UK. Right? Wow. So it tells you we are invested in ensuring that you get what you require as a person who lives and works abroad. Wow. Our heart is with you, and we are happy to support you. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And then the beauty thing about your trip around, you guys are flexible. Like now, you have your colleague Brenda.
Yeah.
You told me she's out to go and take care of other customers. You've told me that you guys are going to Sharjah. Actually, watu wangu wa Sharjah alnada, be ready, and you can also always book an appointment. You told me you are going back to Abu Dhabi. You're going to also Jafilia, Sato. I love the way that you're going to the people, So everybody who needs an appointment, by the group, there are many companies who are group probably accommodation. If you feel like you're a group of 20, 30, and you want NCBA to reach you out, you can always, the number below, you can always reach them or reach me out, right? And then you will go to the people, right?
Yes.
What nice thing do you have for a group of people? If there are a group of people, probably a company, someone, they want to open an account with you.
Yeah, that's hey, Cliff, you have good questions, eh?
Man, this is my people. Thank you. These are my people. I know what my people want, Yes.
So if you're in a group and you want to do something as a group, yes, we're able to support you. But the way you start as a group is being registered as a group back home.
All right.
That's where you get more benefit. However, if at all you're not yet registered, again, we are still able to support. As a group, you can open an account. right? Back home. And our money market fund is where you can actually put your funds. So I'm assuming that you normally collect some money together cumulatively so that then you can invest back home. If you do not know exactly what you want to invest in as at now, put the money in a money market fund account. Ikuwe ikizaza some interest, as you figure yourself out as a team, what it is that you want to do. We can have meetings with your team as a group and agree or discuss your options. What can you do together? How can you do it together? And how can you benefit as a group? So again, we're able to support that. Perfect.
So Onagi, Omogosi community, Kalenjin community, I mean all the groups out there know that NCBA has good things for us. Thank you for your time, madam, and I'm gonna be with you here. Guys, come on Deira Novotel, tutatupata hapa bana. Tunawakaribisha, let's keep on engaging, let's keep connecting, and thank you for taking care of the diaspora team, and thank you for your time. Any parting shots?
Karibuni NCBA. We are happy to support you. We are here for you. We are the bank that says go for it.
So you're the bank that says go for it. Thank you so much. And looking forward to doing I also want nataka kanyumba bana. Sio Wycliffe team wanataka kanyumba huko mtaani. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Asante.
Okay, karibu Dubai.
Asante.
Okay, bye.